Hi guys, for today's video, anyway, welcome back to my channel. Wala tayong introduction ngayon. So, guys, for today is gagawa tayo at samahan ninyo ako at gagawa tayo ng chicken mayonnaise sandwich bread. So, ayan guys, eto yung mga ingredients natin. Ayan, meron ng chicken breads, shredded onion, mayonnaise, capers, lemon, chili flakes, pepper, and salt to be taste. Ayan. So guys, you can use jalapeno instead of chili flakes, okay? So ayan guys, but that is optional for sure. So we have here the chicken breast, shredded onions. You can use red onions also, black pepper and salt, and mayonnaise. Okay, so ang gawin lang natin is combine all the ingredients and mix it all together. Okay, mix it well. So, ganyan lang kabilis, kadali. Kasi nag-crave lang ako ng sandwich today. So, ayan, naisipan ko na gagawa na lang ako. So, ayan guys. So, ayan yung chili flakes natin. But as I've said, you can use the jalapeno chili. Jalapeno pepper. Ayan. Or, kahit wala yan. So, umpisa na natin. Ilagay lang natin ang lahat ng ingredients sa isang bowl. Ayan guys, pagsamasamahin lamang ang mga sangkap natin. Paulit-ulit tayo. Ayan. Next is yung lemon natin. Squeeze lang natin ang ating lemon. We need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Ayan. Okay, so and we have here what we call that, capers. Ayan guys, kasi gusto ko kasi yung texture, yung taste ng ng capers guys. Masarap siya, pero optional guys. Ayan, so combine ulit, i-mix natin, then, yan. Tapos na, bilis na. Ganun lang ang pag-prepare ng sandwich. So, it's good for your kids as well. So, ayan. So, guys, for this part, you can use any. You can use also cheese. You can put cheese. You can put also lettuce. Ayan, yung lettuce natin. And tomato. Ayan guys, so now is hindi ko na siya lalagyan ng cheese, lagyan ko na lang siya ng lettuce and tomato. Ayan, so ganyan lang siya guys. Taran! Ito na yung sandwich ko. Ayan, so may kulang pa, parang asan na yung tomato ko? Sabi ko lagyan ko ng tomato. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Try ninyo to for your kids and for you as well. So guys, thank you so much sa walang sawang pagsubaybay sa aking mga videos everyday. I'm trying my best to upload. I'm trying my best to upload it every day. So, ayan, yung leftover natin, pwede natin ilagay sa sealed na container. Ayan, guys. Pwede natin yung, i-store sa fridge ng 1 week. Basta nasa fridge lang siya. Okay, so, ayan. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, comment, and share. So, goodbye for now. See you again on my next vlog. Thank you so much guys. Keep safe. I love you all.